shift by the water. Clock strikes 12 like every night. Something pulls me to stay longer when that full moon shines so bright. Can't explain these ripples forming, knowing tonight's so still, so clear. Heart skips when surface breaks and you appear. Every 30 days I'm waiting, never early, never late. My job says I should stop you, but I hesitate. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Water beads across your shoulders. Never speak, just float on by. Breaking rules to watch you longer. Can't look away, don't ask me why. Sometimes think I'm just imagining the way you smile up at the sky. Every month I'm getting closer to diving in. Every 30 days I'm shaking. Should I break this sacred space? My mind says I should stop this, but I can't escape. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Between duty and desire, between water and the shore, between reality and something more, something more. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? When the moon is full. Close my eyes and sink beneath the surface of what I believe. Time stands still in shades of peace as waves of thought wash over me. Been searching high and running low till something made me let it go. Truth comes rushing through my soul, like water finding ways to flow. Deep blue within my mind, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find.静かな水の中で冬り自分と向き合う心が開いていく深い青み溶けてる魂が走ると魂がへつまってく自由 직대로 breaking through the surface now, learning what this lies up. Everything is clear somehow. Deep blue within the night, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Ooh, finding peace in the depths of consciousness. I found the strength to acquiesce. Let the current take control. This ancient wisdom fills my soul. Water dancing with the light, teaching me to feel alive. Deep blue within my mind, I'm leaving fear behind. Deep blue within my mind, a new self I find. Oh, inside. Late at night by the water, just me here. Something familiar in the ripples, moving slow. Looking down, getting closer, almost there. Think I know the face, but different from before. Surface getting clear, and I was there looking back at me. Think I saw you in the reflection, not the same as yesterday. Think I saw